Hello everyone. Welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at CodeMode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning about latest in technology, and in today's class we will learn about benefits of an intelligent computer. Before I start, I request you to like this video and subscribe our channel, especially if you are watching on YouTube. For complete course and related coding practice, go to our platform my.codemode.us. Let's begin. There are several advantages of an artificial intelligence system or application, and it is already benefiting us, improving human lives in many ways. Here are some examples. An intelligent computer system can reduce human errors, and the humans can make mistake when you are looking at massive amount of data. In fact, it is very hard to process and correlate or establish correlation between different data points. And what I mean by correlation is, when you look at a home price with a given year, you have only two parts, two dimensional data. You have price and you have year or year of construction. But if you start throwing more dimension to it, talking based on number of bedrooms, based on location, based on the lot size of the house, prices could be different because you have so many variables now, so many factors now. So finding a pattern with those type of those variety of dimension is not easy for a human. But computers can process the data and find a good match of the price trend based on different factors, based on number of bedrooms, number of the size of the lot, or the total size of the house, the year of construction. All of that, computers can identify a better pattern, better correlation, to identify the price or find a pattern in the price. Similarly, when you look at weather forecasting data, looking at the historical data of the weather, computers can give a better correlation, better prediction of the future weather, which we as a human could have made mistake, because usually it is not possible to establish the correlation in our head or do it manually. The computer program is still doing what we have asked them to do, but using the mathematical model, computer program is able to try different combinations of data to give us a better result. Similarly, the computer programs can take better risk than us. If you feed a computer program in a robot and teach a robot how to identify a bomb, how to defuse a bomb, how to deal with fires, an intelligent robot, which is nothing but operated by a computer program, will be able to save us from those dangerous situations. Now we can create a robot that can go deep in the ocean floor and explore for us, take pictures than we human can do. We have already seen the advantage in the digital in form of digital assistant. Nowadays, if you go to a website, the website has a lot of bots, what we call it chat bot. You don't really need to employ a human behind the scene. The computers, based on all the queries, computer program can analyze the data and give us the answer. Am I here to change my date of my airplane ticket, or cancel my ticket? And based on that, computer can do it, for which the airlines doesn't need to put somebody 24/7. Right? Many repetitive jobs, for example, you want to open the gate in the night if somebody arrives. You don't really need to check him or her or the guest. By taking a picture, a computer program can identify that the person is actually not a guest, he's a resident of the community, and the gate can open automatically. Then you don't need to put a human at the gate 24/7 just to check the pictures. right? In many cases, computer can make better decisions. The healthcare industry is one of the best example, where when we take pictures of cancer cells, so much huge volume of data, and for doctors it may take weeks or maybe months to identify the level of cancer growth in the cells. Computer programs can now identify, as long as we teach them how does a cancer cell look like, it can process thousands of images or millions of images and accurately predict or tell us the clear level or current status of cancer growth in the human body. So these are just some examples, and that is why this whole industry, this whole area of artificial intelligence is growing. People are flocking to it because we are collecting more and more data, and for that we need more computing power, more processing power, and most importantly, we need people who can write the programs to analyze the data so that we can create better predictions. I always recommend to learn at least one programming language. The Python is a great way to start your career. But once you learn it, you will be able to write code that can process huge amount of data and find predictions for us. It is not that hard. You have to just start someday. With that, that's all in today's class. If you have any question, feel free to post, and someone would be happy to answer on our platform, which is my.codemode.us. I also recommend that you practice the quiz associated with this concept. I'll see you all in the next class. Keep learning.